Hello Limarkies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today we're going to be the Tooth Fairy, but with a slight twist. I personally don't think being the Tooth Fairy is as easy as everyone thinks it is. So this is what I think being the Tooth Fairy is like. Going through people biting you and stabbing you with your own wand. So if you'd like to see how I did this simple tutorial, it's really one of the easiest ones for this month, then you can keep on watching. So starting off with some collodion, it is especially fake glue. I am putting some glue on a wand that I bought from Chinatown. It was like 5 rand, just snapped it in half and put some cotton wool on its end so that it makes a surface that needs to stick to my nose slightly bigger. Then using some liquid latex, I dipped it onto the cotton wool just to make it sticky, and then using different layers I just decided to build it up to make the surface bigger so that it looks like the skin is kind of pushing up where the wand went into the nose. Ouch. In between layers I just wait for it to dry before I add some more cotton wool, otherwise you end up with a lot of cotton wool that is soaked in latex and it doesn't dry. Then just making sure it sticks to my head so it doesn't fall off. Then using a light layer of foundation just to even everything out. This is also going to help hide the white from the latex and the cotton wool. Remember to set it with powder so that the foundation isn't wet, because I was using a cream foundation. And then just bronzing up so that you don't look like a potato. We love potatoes but not on faces. And some more bronzer. And remember to dance because you're happy. Then measuring out the area where I want the bite mark to be, I'm just using some purple eyeshadow and a really small pencil brush to sketch out the outlines of the teeth. You want to make it look like someone just went and bit you. Your teeth could be as straight or as crooked as you want. Going in with some red paint from my injury wheel, I'm just making the bite mark look like it sunk into the skin, and then using some purple I created depth around the teeth. And going on to the wound, that's going to be the part where the blood starts coming out and the skin around it starts looking like it's been bruised. And then just giving a bruise on the eye, because why not? Just building it with a little latex sponge so that it looks blended out and not blotchy at all. Going in with some fake blood, this is going to add the depth that you need to make it look like the teeth punctured the skin just slightly. So on every little dot I add some fake blood, as well as adding blood around the entry wound of where the wand stuck into the skin. I did paint my teeth black originally to make it look like I was missing a tooth, but it's water paint, it didn't last long. And then remember to put some blood on the extra. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked this look. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. I still have the makeup competition running for the month of October. If you would like to know how you could win, you can just go to my video called Mother Nature. All the details are linked in that video. And then I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!